Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Cute Little Ideas.
Friends, do you know that there's a lot that we can make from plastic bottles? Today we'll be making two cute little insects from these bottles. Let's see how.
Take a plastic bottle. Draw a small circle using a circular button or a bottle cap. Draw few more circles the same way. Cut them out carefully. Stick the circular pieces like this. Let's paint the caterpillar. I have used green metallic paint. Using a hole puncher, cut out small circles. Guess what we are making? Eyes for a caterpillar. The caterpillar is now dry. Let's add details to the eyes. We have also made a mouth from a foam sheet. We have bent a pipe cleaner to make an antenna for a caterpillar. Now a caterpillar is getting ready. Look at the cute caterpillar. Guess where she's going? To our garden.
Now let's make a golden butterfly. For this we have printed out a butterfly's outline from the web.
Now let's stick this outline on the plastic bottle using Fevistick. Then cut it out. Once done, remove the paper. Now using a ruler, bend the wings this way. This will give a nice shape to the butterfly. Now smoothen the edges using the tip of a hot glue gun. It's time to paint the butterfly. I have used gold metallic paint. Apply another coat of paint once it dries. Once it dries, draw patterns on it using gold outliner. If you don't have this outliner, you can also use glitter glue. You can fill colors as you like. Once it is completely dry, fix the antenna. I have used a wire for this. Now let's attach it to the butterfly. A golden butterfly is ready. Who's this creeping into my garden? It's the same caterpillar we made a while ago. Here you are. Oh, so soon you grew into a butterfly? Bye bye, butterfly. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Also, tell us how well your craft came out in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching.